Hi everyone, my name is Mandy from Mandy's Papercraft Creations and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Sydney, Australia. I thought I would just jump on today. I missed out filming my live yesterday, so I have something exciting to tell you. Now, as I am just double checking that I'm going live on my business page where I should be, and just in case anybody jumps on and has any questions, I want to make sure that I can see those questions or comments. So I'm just checking that I can see this on my iPad, which I can. Awesome. So I'm just jumping on really quickly just to let you know that today is May the 31st, 2022, and it is the last day of the Stampin' Up! In Color Starter Kit promotion. Hey Matthew, great to see you. Yeah, so I just wanted to let you know that today is the very last day to take the opportunity of the In Color Starter Kit promotion. And I would love to welcome you or invite you and welcome you to join my wonderful team of and our beautiful crafting community. So I have got the beautiful products here to show you that are part of this promotion, but I also wanted to tell you a little bit about my team. So let me first show you the products which are in this promotion, and I'll explain it to you as we go. So here's a little flyer. And so in this starter kit promotion, when you purchase your starter kit for $169, you get to choose $235 worth of product of your choice, as is always the Stampin' Up! Join offer, which is fantastic. So you're already getting $66 worth of product for free. Plus you get free shipping on that starter kit offer. And then, or starter kit order, I should say, then you get an ongoing discount of 20%. And you can work that up to 25% discount over time as well. Now, not only that, but during this promotion, when you join today, being the last day, the 31st of May, 2022, you will also have added to your starter kit absolutely free all of these products. So you're going to get a full pad of 25 sheets of grid paper in the In Color collection. Let me move over this way so you can see it a little bit better. You're going to get a full pack of A4 cardstock assorted in the colors of the In Colors. So you're going to get 20 sheets. It's a pack of 20 sheets. So you're going to get 4 of each of those colors in A4 cardstock. So if you cut that in half, each sheet's going to give you 2 cards or 2 card bases. So that's lots and lots of cards you can create. Then you're going to get the full set of the In Color collection ink pads, or classic Stampin' pads as we call them, which is fantastic. And then you're also going to get the pack of designer series paper in the In Colors, and that has 40 sheets. So you're going to get all of those products absolutely free when you join Stampin' Up! By the end of today. Now, I'm here to help you. If you need any help or if you have any questions, feel free to ask me any questions. There's never a silly question, and I like everyone to have all of the information before they make the decision if it's right for them as well anyway. Now, I will show you the products as well up close. So let's first look at the beautiful ink pads. So we have got our beautiful Stampin' Up! Ink pads in the 5 colors. So we have got Sweet Sorbet. Oops, hang on, I'm going from the wrong end. There we go. Sweet Sorbet. Now these will all be added to your starter kit absolutely free, and I didn't tell you how much the value is. The value of all of these products that I'm showing you that will be added absolutely free is $116.50. So that's amazing. So that is Parakeet Party. Then we've got Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide, and Starry Sky. So they are all the new 2022 to 2024 In Colors, and they are absolutely beautiful, and they coordinate beautifully together as well. And they also coordinate with a lot of our other Stampin' Up! Colors also. So they would be absolutely free. 5 ink pads absolutely free in your starter kit if you join today. Also too, you're going to get a pack of cardstock in those colors as well. Now I'm only holding up 1 sheet of each of those just because it's easier for me to hold them. But in the starter kit today, during this joining promotion, you will get a pack of 20 sheets of cardstock. So you're going to get 4 sheets of each of these beautiful in color cardstocks, and that's in A4 here in Australia. Overseas in other countries where they have imperial measurement, the cardstock would be in their sizes, which is a bit different to ours, but I'm talking to my beautiful Australian people today. Now also too, you're going to get a full pack of in color designer series paper. Now these are in 6 by 6 inch sheets. I'm just moving my chair so I can get all this paper in. 6 by 6 inch sheets. There's going to be 40 sheets in the pack. Again, I'm not holding up a full pack, but you can see all of the beautiful designs that you get in all of the colors in that pack, which are absolutely stunning. They're really beautiful papers. So that is a great start to get you going on your card making journey. Now also too, you will get a pad. Now this is really hard to get in shot because it's so big. You'll get a pad of grid paper. So there's 25 sheets in here, 5 sheets of each color of the in colors. Oh, I'm going from the wrong side. I'm working back to front here. So here we go. Have a look at this. So you'll see all the colors here. There we go. And then you've got the green. So these grid papers are great for keeping your work surface clean when you're crafting, so that you don't get ink everywhere and don't get ink on your desk, and keeps everything nice and tidy, which is great. I love using grid paper. It's fantastic. It also, because it's got all of the grid lines on there, it helps you to line things up and get them straight. And there's a little measure down the bottom as well, so you can use that too. So I love using my grid paper. So they are all the products that you will get in the joining offer. And as I said, today is the last day to take advantage of that. Now, Stampin' Up! Does have other products in the in color range as well. So there's lots of other products that coordinate with what I've shown you today. But these ones that I'm focusing on today are just the ones that are included in your starter kit when you join today. Now let me tell you a little bit about my team. My team are called the Papercraft Gems, because I believe that each one is precious and valued, just like a precious gem or a gemstone. So that's why I named my team that. And we have a beautiful, beautiful community of crafters. Lots of different crafters, lots of different crafting hobbies. So not just paper craft, but there's lots of other hobbies that our paper crafters have as well. Lots of other crafts, so sewing and knitting and crocheting, painting. We've even got a face painter on our team now as well, professional face painter. Recycling, like upcycling furniture and all sorts of creative things. That's so exciting. We share lots of creative inspiration in our team group. We have a team Facebook page, and we share lots and lots of ideas in there, lots of our projects. We've got our scrapbookers as well, of course. So if you love the Stampin' Up! Products and you love crafting, or perhaps you're thinking about joining, and perhaps you've never crafted before or never made cards or scrapbooks before, then consider joining right now and getting all of those products for free. Now remember, you get to choose $235 worth of products of your own choice in the starter kit. You're only going to pay $169. Then Stampin' Up! Is going to add all of these products, which is an extra $116.50 worth of product, absolutely free. And you'll get free shipping on that starter kit. And then from there, you'll get an ongoing discount of all of your beautiful Stampin' Up! Products. Now, if you join Stampin' Up! And first of all, you don't need to sell, okay? That's one thing. People get really worried. They think, oh no, I don't want to be a demonstrator. I don't want to do what Mandy does and do Facebook Lives or sell product or anything like that. You don't have to. You can simply join to enjoy the discount for yourself and just enjoy the crafting community. So you can do that. When you order as what is termed as a demonstrator, but it doesn't mean you need to demonstrate product, but when you purchase as a demonstrator, you will get that discount automatically, which is fantastic. Now, yes, there are quarterly minimums that need to be met if you would like to stay on with Stampin' Up! But if you want to just test it out and see how you go, and see how you like it, then that's okay too. You would have from now until the end of October to take advantage of that discount. And if you don't meet those quarterly minimums, which works out at about $125 a month after your discount, so we can spend that on craft supplies in the blink of an eye, can't we? Those of us that love craft, you know what we're talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Now, if you find that you can't meet that quarterly minimum, it's not a problem. There's no exit penalties or, lock-in period or anything like that. You just simply go back to being a customer. But if you join right now, you will have until the end of October to make that decision. Okay, so there's no rush decision that you have to make. You can stay until the end of October. And then if you still haven't made that quarterly minimum by then, no problem. You just simply go back to being a customer. That you don't need to formally resign or anything like that. Stampin' Up! Will just take you off the books and put you back as a customer. And then you're welcome to shop with me if you're my customer, or if you already have a demonstrator, to shop with your own demonstrator. What else can I tell you? So yes, so we have an amazing community. We get together each month via Zoom, and we have a little bit of a team gathering. So I do recognitions, I give out prizes, we have creative challenges for those that want to participate. This month we even had a BBB challenge, which is our Big Brown Box challenge. So we took photographs of our orders and we put them in the group. And then at the end of the month, which is today, so anyone that got orders today, hopefully they've remembered to put their photos up, and I'll remind my team of that. And then I will draw a prize for all of those that put their photos in our group. It's a bit of fun. We like to have fun in our group. And so what else do we do? And we also, during that team gathering, we also have some creative time together as well, usually for a couple of hours, however long everyone wants to hang around. People can leave when they need to. So yeah, so that's a lot of fun gathering together each month with our team. And occasionally I do an additional gathering as well, just a creative time together too. We have Stampin' Up! Events that you can join in on if you choose to. There's lots and lots of Stampin' Up! Resources. As a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you have access to the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator website. There's a Facebook group as well for demonstrators only. Actually, there's quite a few, but there's one big general one called Demonstrator Planning Place, and that is one where everybody shares, well, not everybody, but those that choose to share their projects and their ideas. So there's lots and lots of creative inspiration you can get from there. There is just so much. I have just met so many beautiful people through Stampin' Up! Something that I never expected. I joined for the discount originally too, and never expected that I would one day be running a business and building a team and all those wonderful things. But the people that I've met it's just been so amazing. I never expected that. And I didn't know that was part of Stampin' Up!, but they really are all about the people first. And you find that in the Stampin' Up! Community. You'll make so many new friends and meet new people. And I've met people from all around the world and developed beautiful friendships with people all around the world. And it's been such a blessing. And I'm constantly meeting new people. Today I met somebody new as well online who's also a demonstrator. And so every day meeting different people, it's wonderful. So if any of that sounds like something that would be interesting to you, then please reach out to me today, May 31st, 2022, if you would like to get this amazing joining offer to get you started. Now, any time, of course, is a great time to join Stampin' Up!, so you can join at any time. I'm just letting you know that this promotion is currently available and it does end today. So if you'd like to get $116.50 worth of in-color products added to your starter kit, absolutely free, today is the last day to join, May 31st, 2022. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm happy to answer any questions. I'm happy to have a chat with you online or on the phone if you're here in Australia. then please feel free to reach out to me and ask me anything that you would like to. Yeah, and as I said, don't get concerned or hung up on those quarterly minimums. It's really not a big deal. If you don't meet them, it's okay. You just go back to being a customer, and there's no pressure for you to sell, okay? I'm here to help and support you. I'm here to be your friend, and I'm here to give you all the information that you need, and anything that in any way that I can help you. So yeah, so just don't feel that there's any pressure once you join, and don't feel that there's any pressure or expectation if you ask questions either, because some people think, oh, I don't want to ask questions because then she'll expect that I'm going to join, or you know, there's any expectation there. So just feel free to ask me anything you like to. So I will leave that with you to have a little think, but you have until this evening. Now that the joining process has been simplified now, and it's actually much more simple than it used to be, so it's not too hard and it doesn't take too long. So long as you know that the hardest part is choosing what you want to put in your starter kit, because it's not a predetermined starter kit. You get to choose $235 worth of product, and that's current product from our current catalogs or what's available online. So you can put all sorts of things in there. You might like to put things from the new annual catalog, which I think I've got right here. Let me grab that. Yep, here it is. You might like to grab things from the current annual catalog. You might like to grab some things from the mini catalog, which is finishing very soon. It's finishing at the end of June, because we're going to be having a new catalog coming out, and that's another good reason to join, because we've got another new catalog coming out very, very soon, and we as demonstrators have already got to have a look at it, and that's another perk. We get to see and access brand new catalogs and new products early, a whole month before the rest of the world. So that's super exciting. And we get to order those as demonstrators from the upcoming new catalog, which isn't released yet. We get to start ordering from tomorrow, actually, a whole month early. So we get lots of little lurks and perks along the way, which is super exciting. So yeah, and you can put in kits into if you're new to crafting and you're not sure where to start, you might like to put in some kits from the kits collection into your starter kit. You might like to put things in there from the clearance rack. You can do that as well. Anything you would like to that's current. There are some products that are on the online store that aren't in the catalog, so they're products that have been carried over and things like that. You might like to put those in your starter kit, whatever you like. So just, yeah, reach out to me, ask me any questions, let me know if I can help you. And yeah, and I'm here to help and serve you. So please let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. All right, well, I will leave it there. And as I said, I do invite you to join my beautiful team, our beautiful crafting community. And we're ready and waiting to welcome you. All right, take care, everyone. And I do look forward to hearing from some of you. Take care. Bye-bye. Happy crafting.